Alright, now we're going to make the backrest of the seat to the bottom. So the way you'd want to do this is get you some help. Let one person actually line up the bolt hole to the actual bracket arm over there, and then on the other side, one person can actually, they'll be able to pull to spread it, to slide past the vinyl so you don't wind up stuffing the vinyl up. And while they hold it,
I just need a little bit of adjustment to do in there, especially on the backrest, just a little bit. There we go.
and these just need to be snug. You don't need to tighten it too much. And there it is, it's in place, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. And remember, we've put the safety catch on here, so just make sure that it's able to pivot freely right there. So we'll knock out the other side and then put the hinge cover on both sides, and the seat will be done.